In the art of war, commanders must be able to remain calm and collected, yet decisive in their actions. A commander can easily manipulate the enemy's plans and movements by deceiving them and keeping them in the dark. Changing the circumstances and creating confusion will prevent the enemy from anticipating your next move. Leading your troops to unreachable heights, removing the ladder, or delving deep into enemy territory to exploit their weaknesses can ensure victory. Just like herding a flock of sheep, a commander must lead their army with purpose and precision, leaving the enemy clueless about their destination. Gathering your forces and deploying them strategically in hazardous terrain is the true art of a commander. Understanding the advantages of terrain, the changes in circumstances, and the psychology of human nature are essential skills for a successful leader in the art of war. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.